Hello friends, welcome back to this session. In previous session we have learned about the page layout tab, and in that we saw orientation. Okay, this part we have seen already. The orientation, it is of two types. The first type was the landscape mode and second was the portrait mode, right? Now today in this session we are going to talk about the page size, that is this part, and the page margins. Okay, page size and page margins. So let's see. First of all you need to do is you have to switch to the page layout tab. It is the third tab. You can see here, observe, page layout tab. Right, in page layout you have to switch to the page size. Okay, there is a size option in the page setup group. Here is a page setup group. In that you have to click the size drop down box. Here is a drop down, right? So let me click on it, size drop down. Now dear students, observe that the default size selected is A4. What does it mean by default? Dear students, default means something or some parameter which has been already set by the software itself. So Microsoft Word has itself set the page size as A4, and you should know that A4 is the standard page size. Okay, so A4 is the page size. As you can see, you can change the page size, you can change it to the letter. Let's check it and observe the changes. See, some wideness has been changed. Let me click on A5. Now see, totally it has changed. Okay, the structure of the page has been changed. Go for the tabloid. See, tabloid, here width has been increased. It is actually the more width than the previous one, than A4. You can see here A4 was, the width was less, and in tabloid width is more. You can try the other page sizes. Let me click on B5 JIS. See, this is B5 Japanese postcard. Yes, this page size is known as Japanese postcard. You can try any page size that you want. So this was all about the page sizes. Standard is, remember, standard page size is A4. Steps are very easy. I will share the screenshot after this session. Right, now let's see the margins part. Same here in the page layout tab, and inside the page setup group, it is the page setup group. Now you have to click on the margins drop down. Okay, drop down arrow is there, right? So click on the margins drop down arrow. Observe here, dear students, observe carefully. Normal is the selected page margin. So this is called as default page margin. The default page margin of MS Word is normal. You can change it to last custom setting, or narrow, or moderate, wide, mirrored, etc. Let us see one by one. So let me click on last custom setting. So nothing has been changed. Let me click on narrow. See, this is the narrow margin. Now moderate. You just observe the cursor position, right? You just observe the cursor position. Let me click on wide. See, the cursor position has been changed. Previously it was here, now it is blinking over here, and then mirrored. See, the cursor position is always changing. Normal. Now let me click on normal. See, it is here now. Just observe the cursor position. Narrow. now it came here. Previously it was here, now it came here. Fine. So this is all about the margin. By default it is normal. Remember this. Now there is a question in activity 3. Then can we set the custom margin? Can we set the margin according to our choice? Answer is yes. You can select the margin from custom margins. Here is the option. Go to the margin, and the last option you can see. The last option is custom margins. You have to click on that, custom margins. So custom margins. Now here select the gutter and gutter position. Now from where you want to keep the spaces. Margin means keeping the or leaving the spaces. Now I want to leave the spaces at the left side, right? So left, I will keep it by default left, and here I will put the size in centimeter. So let me quickly put something. Let me put 3. Okay, 3 space centimeter. You can see here I have written 3 centimeter in the gutter margin. Okay, now let me click on OK. Okay, here is the OK button. Click on it. Now you can see the space has been left 3 centimeter. Previously it was, see, let me click Ctrl Z, undo. It was here. Now after giving the gutter margins, custom margin, now let me leave the spaces from the right side. Okay, from top side I want the margin 5 centimeter. Just observe the position. Yes, it is here. Previously it was here. Understood? Okay, zoom. Let me zoom it. Right now it is here. See the distance from the top. Okay, and now observe, after giving the gutter margin from the top, observe the distance is more now. Okay, distance is more. See. Okay, so this was all about the today's session. We have learned about size and margins. Default size is normal, and default size was A4 and default margin was normal. Remember these points. And in case of any queries or any doubts, you can ask me at any times. So thanks for joining this session. Bye.